If equipped, the power front seat controls are located on the outboard side of each seat, which can be moved forward, rearward, up, or down by moving the seat switch in the desired direction. To tilt the front of the seat cushion up or down, pull or push the front of the seat switch in the desired direction. The seat back switch controls the recline angle of the seat back, and the lumbar switch will increase or decrease lumbar support, and, on certain models, move it up or down. If equipped with manual front seat controls, move the seat forward or rearward by pulling up on the bar under the seat. On models with two-way manual height adjustment, pull the appropriate front or rear lever, and then either let the seat raise naturally or lower it by applying weight to the cushion. For single lever adjustments, pull up to raise the seat or push down to lower it. Depending on the vehicle, you can adjust the seat back angle by pulling up on the seat back lever or rotating the knob near the base of the seat. A manual lumbar adjustment knob may also be present further up on the driver's seat back. And if equipped with a fold-forward front passenger seat, it can be folded flat for increased cargo room. On some models, the front armrests are adjustable. To reposition them, rotate an adjustable knob under the armrest and move it to the desired position. The front seat head restraints may be fixed or adjustable. Two-way adjustable headrests can be raised by simply pulling up on the headrest, or lowered by pushing the adjustment button at the base of the restraint, and then pushing down on the headrest. To adjust a four-way head restraint forward, pull the top toward the front of the vehicle as desired and release. To adjust it rearward, pull it to the frontmost position and release. This will reset it to the rearmost position. If your vehicle has active head restraints, they can be tilted by pushing the bottom of the headrest forward or rearward. The available heated and ventilated front seats can be controlled with the buttons on the center stack, through the touchscreen, or on the seat itself, usually on the lower outboard side. Pushing the heated seat button multiple times will switch from high to medium, low, and off. Pushing the ventilated seat button works the same way. If the two second-row outboard seats are heated and ventilated, they can be operated independently with switches usually on the rear of the center console or on the door trim panel. The engine must be running to operate heated and ventilated seats. On vehicles equipped with driver memory settings, the position of the power driver seat, along with side mirrors, radio presets, and more, can be saved to a memory setting by pushing the S button on the driver's door or seat, then pushing one of the memory buttons. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.